Hi guys, it's Steve Currington at Tulsa Mortgage, and today I want to talk to you about interest rates because it's, every single day, 17 times a day. If you're in the mortgage business right now, then you get a lot of phone calls asking like, did rates go down? Did rates go up? Did rates go down? Did rates go up? So I'm just advising all of my customers, all my referral partners, if I'm the guy you trust to talk about interest rates, then please let me be your source of information when it comes to interest rates, because there's a lot of data out there on the internet that's wrong. There's a lot of data out there that can be very confusing to you as a buyer or even as a real estate agent. Whoever that person is, again, I hope it's me that you trust for that information. I would get that from that industry professional that can help you decipher that data, because there's a lot of information that's put out there, what we call teaser rates, which are companies that are offering this rate that you're going to see online, and it's a half a point lower than everyone else. And you're like, oh my gosh, Steve, I can't believe this other lender's offering a rate that's lower. Well, it doesn't really matter what rate a lender is offering if you don't have a house yet, because you're not locking a loan if you don't have a house. The only way you're locking a loan if you don't have a house is through our lock and shop program. If they don't have a lock and shop program, then you're gonna have a property before you look at rates, and rates change every day. So if you look online on a Tuesday and you don't go into contract until the next Tuesday, rates are gonna change. They change like the stock market. So just be careful about what information you get online. Teaser rates are rates where it'll say that half a point lower, but there are all these qualifiers. It'll say, well, it has to be in the state of Washington. It has to be over a $350,000 loan amount. Your credit score has to be exactly 781. And if you don't meet those qualifications, then you're not getting that rate. And it's just a way to get you to apply, to get you in the door, and then they break the bad news to you. I'm so sorry, there's 5 qualifiers and you don't meet one of them, therefore your rate's what Steve told you his rate was. It's essentially what it comes down to. So it's just a hook. There's a lot of like marketing out there that's a hook to get you in the door. So again, find a person that is your source of information when it comes to rate, that's an industry professional that knows. This is not the guy that sits next to you in a cubicle at work. Okay, this is not the guy that works in the check stand behind you at Quick Trip. No offense to them. They probably love you. They probably care about you. They probably want to give you good advice. This is not your mom and dad who bought a house in 1997 and haven't had a mortgage for 30 years. We love them. They love you. They care about you. But the information that you're probably getting from someone that just doesn't work in the industry, it can sometimes be old, like out of date. It just doesn't apply anymore. Or it can be something that they read online that also isn't correct. Whoever that person is, I would get it from the industry professional on where rates are going. The fact of the matter is, rates are bouncing. Okay, we're seeing days where rates are really good, they're dropping, and then we're seeing days where rates are a little bit higher. I just talked to a customer this morning, and in the time that I told her what her rate is and she said she wanted to lock it, I saved her file, refreshed it, went to go lock the loan, and her cost went up by $200. I can't explain it, it's just how the market is right now. So I would say if you like it, you should lock it. Please call me at 918-281-5475 for all your mortgage needs, and especially if you need some help navigating what rates are doing. You can also go to stevecurrington.com.